This is a step-by-step guide on how to trade Forex as a complete beginner in under 5 minutes. Step 1, before you find a mentor or website or a course, go on babypips.com. Most of us start on babypips.com. It's just a big website that has all the information that you need. It is going to be a lot of reading, so if you're more a video kind of person, you're going to need to get your reading glasses and start reading. But this has so much good quality information that will put you on the right tracks, and it'll make you realize if Forex is for you or not. Step 2, after you've done all your reading and you kind of understand Forex on a basic level, you need to go back to YouTube. YouTube University will be your best friend. The only tip I've got for you with this is find 1 to 3 YouTubers. Don't try go through every single Forex YouTuber because you will get confused. Everyone uses different terminologies, everyone has different strategies, everyone has different approaches. Find 1 to 3 YouTubers that you really like and you really resonate with, and you like their personality, you like their approach, you like how they've come up, and stick to them. Step 3, once you've been on YouTube for a while and you kind of understand Forex on a deeper level, not profitable, but on a deeper level, find a simple strategy from YouTube. This is before you get a course, don't pay for anything. On YouTube, find a simple, profitable strategy and backtest it. This isn't a strategy that you're going to be using when you actually want to make real money, because over the long run, it might not work to your advantage. But find something very simple, very easy to understand, not a lot of rules, and start backtesting it. If you see decent results with the strategy, then on to step 4. If you don't find a strategy that's profitable while backtesting, then just go back to step 3 and redo it until you find a strategy that you like and a strategy that's actually making money. But if you have, on to step 4, and that is open up a demo account. Use any broker you want, it doesn't really matter. I would say use a broker that you're going to use when you start live trading, but open up a demo account. This is so you can get used to the buttons, get used to the layouts of MetaTrader or CTrader or whatever platform you're using, and also use a realistic amount. You're not going to start off with £1 million, so don't open a £1 million account. If you're going to put $100 into your account, open a $100 demo account. If you're going to put 1,000, open a $1,000 demo account. This is so you can get used to the lot sizes, so you can get used to how volatile the money is when it moves, how quick it moves, and things like that. Step 5, this is where you're going to need to spend a little bit of money. Find a mentor or a community that all trade one strategy. Don't join a community where everyone's trading different strategies, because that's not going to help you at all. You're going to get confused. You're going to enter the cycle of doom, keep switching strategies to try and find something profitable. Try find one mentor. It doesn't matter where you find them, as long as you think that they're reliable and they actually know how to teach and they're not fake. Stick to them, learn their strategy, because if they can make it, you can make it. Now, the 2 mentors I use, I trade supply and demand, and I'm a scalper. So I would recommend Dual Exchange and also Sully's Advice. Sully's Advice is one of the best mentors out there in the game at the moment, and he's also extremely consistent and extremely transparent. So if you want to go use him, I'll put a link to his Discord in the description. Number 6, once you find a mentor and you understand their strategy and you understand their approach, you need to open up a live account. Don't put all your life savings into this account. Put a very little amount, because I'm 60% sure that you're going to blow this account. Majority of people blow this account. There could be a chance that you don't, and maybe you pick up on the strategy very quickly. But to be honest, you're probably going to blow your first account. So don't put money that you're not afraid to lose. Number 7, you got to be consistent. Even if you do lose money, say you lose money the first week, the first month, you don't need to quit. You just keep going. You don't need to think it's a scam and that you're not going to make money and that it doesn't even work. Don't quit. Just stick to it. Keep trying to get better. Keep trying to improve your understanding of the strategy. Keep trying to improve your understanding of what setups you're taking, and try just be better. Be more disciplined. Number 8, this is the last one. It's the most important one. If you don't use this one, none of the rest are going to work, and that is subscribing to this channel. If you don't subscribe, then the rest, it just goes out the window. It won't work. So that was it. Step-by-step guide of how to trade Forex in under 5 minutes.